Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm doing something a little bit different, which I'm very excited about. I'm not really sure how it's going to turn out, but I'm going to do it anyway. So I am doing a little Halloween look. I kind of thought, what can I be for Halloween? And basically I just wanted to do something quite simple that everyone else can do as well, something quite basic where I don't need to get any other bits and just use the makeup that I have. And so I decided to be a pumpkin. I have a lot of very warm palettes, so I'm going to be using the 350 Morphe palette today. It has a lot of oranges and reds and warm colours. I know I look bizarre. I have one eyebrow on, I don't have this eyebrow on, and I have a little bit of a base, and basically I'm just gonna give it a go. I don't really know what I'm doing. I haven't practiced. I did a very quick practice of some kind of pumpkin look, went very wrong, scrapping that whole idea. So I haven't practiced this. I've seen a lot of things on Pinterest. I'll try and put a few of my inspo pics up here, but I'm just kind of making it up as I go along basically. So hopefully it's going to be super easy and it's going to be kind of decent and you guys can follow along. So basically, the first things first, I already have on a bit of a base. So if you are interested in my kind of like base makeup routine, I will leave the link to a regular makeup routine down below because it's all the same as that. So as I said, I've put my base on, I've put my eyebrow on. What I'm going to be doing is a line down my face here, and this half is going to be full pumpkin, and this is going to be kind of just normal me but with a nice orangey smoky eye to kind of tie in with the pumpkin look. So I am going to be using this sleek Fierce felt liner. It's just super sharp, and instead of using kind of like black paint, I'm going to be using this just to save buying anything else and to save the mess. So you can use black paint, but you can just use a black eyeliner like this. Okay, as I said, I'm doing this as I go along. I'm going to actually move this slightly higher. So that's the good thing about using just a normal regular eyeliner. I can just quickly remove it. Okay, so this is just kind of like where my crack is going to be. So this bit of my face is going to be my regular face and this is all going to be pumpkin. Then I'm just going to quickly like bronze up where I would usually on my regular side of my face, just for like the standard makeup look. So I want this side to be quite nice. Okay, so then the next step, obviously pumpkins have like those lines down them. So I'm going to use a brown pencil. This one's from Gosh and it's literally just like a coal brown pencil. I don't know if I can try and get it to focus. It takes so long. But yeah. And I'm just going to draw on this side of my face, basically straight lines down where the like ridges in the pumpkin should be. Okay, so now I look absolutely ridiculous and I've drawn those in. What I want to do is get some orange on my face because I want to blend these lines out, but there's absolutely no point blending them out until I've got the orange on. So basically I'm going to be taking the Morphe 350 palette and I'm going to take this big fat brush. So I used this the other day when I did that practice that went completely wrong, and so that's why it's got loads of orange on it. And I'm going to just take this really bright orange in the corner here, just a little bit of it, and I basically just want to use this Like, I don't want my whole face to be orange, but I want to give a very clear idea that I'm a pumpkin. So basically, anywhere there's a line, that's where the darkest bit of orange should be, and then the rest I will blend out. So yeah, I'm just gonna dive in. Okay, so I'm just thinking this is something that you could definitely do first, but I'm thinking I want to conceal my eyebrow a little bit on this side, just because I am doing like a pumpkin eye, and obviously pumpkins do not have eyebrows. So I'm gonna just give that a go and just put a bit of concealer in my brow. Okay, so I'm well aware that is not fully concealed, but I think it just looks better a little bit, like, less dark, I guess. So then what I'm going to do is just, like, basically you should do that first, but I'm just going to go over where the line should be if I had no eyebrow. So as I said, I wanted that kind of where the lines are to be the darkest part of orange, but then I do want it all to blend out and blend in, and this whole half be kind of like orange pumpkin. So what I'm going to do is take this second colour down, which is a really soft orange, more kind of like a peachy colour. I'll probably end up mixing a few colours together, but just the softer one, and I'm going to blend in between. Also, just to mention, when I do get changed, I am going to have to blend this down because I am wearing an orange dress, so I am going to need to blend that further. But if you are more organised than me, you will be in your outfit already and you'll know where you need to blend it down to. Okay, so once those have kind of blended out, then now I'm going to start with the black shading. So I'm going to shade this crack so it looks a little bit more real, and then I'm going to shade around the edges of my face. So to do that, I don't actually have a black, so what I do have is some very dark browns and kind of greys. So I'm just going to use like a mixture of these kind of colours here. And I'm just going to blend it out with a blending brush. So yeah, that's my outline done, and now I'm just going to do the pumpkin features. So obviously, as you know, pumpkins usually cut out a triangle eye. People do them differently, but just to keep things simple, I'm going to do a triangle cut out black eye, and then the mouth I'm going to do kind of like boxy. And then again, I'm just going to be using this pencil liner to do the eye and then the shape down here. And then I'll probably shade it in with a little bit of eyeshadow after that. So, I'm going to go for it. So I have filled in my eye. Obviously it will be more like that, especially if I'm taking a photo. I'll make sure my eye's shut. In fact, if I'm going to be shutting my eye like that, then I think I need to draw slightly below. And my mouth is slightly wonky, but he's just a wonky pumpkin. It's just the way these things are. But obviously it's not fully black, so I'm just going to go over it with eyeshadow, dab it all on and try and like really blacken it. Okay, so I've done obviously the mouth and the eyes, I've blackened them out. If I come really close, I just need to do the nose, and then I'm going to do like this eye, the actual nice eye. You know when you're doing winged eyeliner and it's getting bigger and bigger and bigger because you're not getting a straight line? That is exactly how I feel right now about this nose situation. I'm trying to get it in a straight line and it's just getting bigger and bigger. Just like that. Okay, so now like the really fun bit, because I actually just love doing makeup, so I'm going to do a really cool orangey smoky eye. So I'm just going to take the same one we've been using. It's got loads and loads of product, it's got loads of orange on this brush, and I'm just going to blend out straight into the crease here. And I'm just going to whack it all over the lid as well. And then I'm just going to take this slightly redder colour down here and I'm going to mix it with these browny colours, and I'm just going to go and deepen the crease. And I'm just going to put a little bit underneath and blend out. Next I'm going to go in with a flat brush and I'm going to use the other side to what I was using for the really dark brown. But I'm going to use this colour here in the palette, this gold mixed with this really like burnt orangey colour. They're both shimmers and these palettes are to die for. They are so pigmented and the shimmer colours are just stunning. I'm just going to put that on my lid and stop at the crease line. And then I'm just going to blend that out. Next I'm going to use my eyeliner that I've been using all over my whole face and just do like a small winged eyeliner. I don't tend to do winged eyeliner, but the main reason for that is because I am going to put some lashes on, and lashes just always look better when they're hidden, like the lash strip is hidden with the wing. And I'm just going to fill in my waterline as well, just with this dark brown because it's just a little bit less harsh than the black. And then I think I'm just going to put a little bit of this highlighter on, just on obviously my good side. Just because I want this side to be kind of really nice makeup. So yeah. And then like I said, I just have these demi wispies. I always go for the demi wispies. Usually I just get the 3/4 sort of like the half lash, or I cut them down to a half lash, but just because this is like going to be really dramatic, I'm going to keep the full lash. I'm not actually, I don't think I'm going to do anything with this side just because it's just going to be completely black, but maybe that will look a bit weird. We'll see how we go. But top tip with lashes, I'm sure everybody knows, but you put the glue on now and then you just sit and wait for it to basically dry, and then just before it's dry you whack it on, and that way it will just stay and you won't have all the drama of trying to get your lash to stick for about half an hour. And then once it's stuck, obviously you've got like this really pretty eye over here and then the full pumpkin look. So then I would just have my hair down. I actually am not going to a Halloween party this year that I know of. I'm going to be in Edinburgh, so I'm still like debating whether I'm going to be at a Halloween party, but I'm probably not going to be doing a full Halloween look. I just wanted to get involved. But if you are going to a Halloween party, yeah, obviously I have hair to kind of go with the pumpkin vibe, luckily. I say luckily, that's obviously why I chose it. And then I bought this little dress from... And then I bought this little dress, so I'm just going to put this on and then I'm just going to quickly blend down my neck and then you'll see the final result. Okay guys, so I just neatened a few bits up and put on this little dress. So this is from... I got it from ASOS, but it is a pretty little thing. But yeah, this is pretty much the finished look. Obviously this eye is kind of meant to be shut, so it's meant to be one half just the pumpkin eye and obviously mouth shut, so that kind of vibe. But yeah, I just wanted to do something really easy, and I know it's like not amazing at all. Obviously I'm not a makeup artist, I am just someone who likes doing makeup, and I just thought I'd give it a go. So I just wanted to make it something that you guys could follow along and do as well if you're also not a makeup artist and you just wanted to do something that was kind of half decent, maybe, hopefully. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed the video, I hope you enjoyed the look, and I hope you all have amazing Halloweens if you're going to parties or whatever you might be doing. And I know it's a little bit early, but happy Halloween. If you did enjoy it, please don't forget to hit subscribe and give this a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!